Welcome, here I've got Motorola One Action and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode, so let's change it because the Motorola device gives us the other mode only to record the slow motion. We can do it by using this settings bar and tapping on this icon from the left. Here we are, now let's focus on the video modes as you can see, and at the first place we have the slow motion, so let's tap on this. And here we can start recording the slow motion video by using this big red button at the center, so let me start to show you how it works. Now stop. And now let's move here to the right corner at the bottom. By tapping on this, we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our video, we can play it by tapping on the center now. And as you can see, this is how the slow motion video looks like on this device, and this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.